Hey everyone, today we're going to be taking apart something new, an old alarm clock. Alright, so let's start taking it apart. Alright guys, this will take about a minute. So right now I'm just going to be promoting some of my other videos. So one of my most recent uploads is the M5 Stack. It is a development platform. Or development board, I should say. Another one of my uploads is the Colossus kit Arduino review. It is the biggest Arduino kit I've ever seen, and I decided to review it. There is the Taking Apart playlist in the top right corner. Alright, that's all I gotta say, so hope you enjoyed the rest of the video. Alright, now that I'm done, I've been looking at this, and I found a few cool things. Obviously the screen, a few capacitors, a few diodes, a few resistors, and an IC chip called 8560. So let's take apart some of the parts in it. Never mind. I just tried to cut some out, but I didn't get much. I got a few wires, and the capacitors I couldn't get out, and anything else I couldn't get out because the wires are too short, so I'll have to desolder them. At least I got some wires. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like and subscribe. See you guys.